Hi, sixth graders, and happy Tuesday. Today we are going to be looking at kind of a new topic to us, and that's something called biomes. Okay, and what a biome is it's a large area or a large community of different types of plants and animals. You may have heard of it as a habitat before. So we are going to look at the different habitats that exist in Minnesota. And to do this, you are going to work through this Minnesota Biomes presentation. So here we are on Tuesday, September 29th, and we're just gonna click on the Minnesota Biomes presentation. And this is actually a slideshow that you are going to work through, all about Minnesota biomes. Okay, so you're gonna watch this biome video. It just kind of shows different biomes throughout the world. And this is really where you're going to do the bulk of your research, okay? So in just a moment, we're going to click here where it says click here and learn about the Minnesota biomes. This is actually going to take us to the Minnesota DNR website. And then you're going to click on each biome to learn more about it. And you for sure need to read that fun fact, but it's only about one web page. So if you are a quick reader, you should be able to quickly read through all of it. And then after you're done watching the slideshow, you are going to kind of identify these four zones. This gray one up in the northwest corner, the yellow one on the western and then southwestern border, the light green one in the northeastern, really half of the state, and then that darker green strip of land throughout central and southeastern Minnesota. Notice it says do this assignment on Schoology. So you're going to finish the slideshow and then I'll take you back to Schoology and see how you're going to actually submit the work for today. So we're going to click up here, up top, and this takes us to the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources. And we have those four kind of areas. You're just going to click through. I would spend a minimum of probably 5 to 10 minutes on each one. So this is going to talk about the prairie grasslands, okay, and it talks about the different prairies. You'll notice it is kind of cutting it off, so you might have to zoom in and out a little bit, okay? And then you'll be able to, excuse me, then you'll be able to go back and click on the coniferous forest biome. Okay. And then, oops, not that one. Page menu. Then you can go to the deciduous forest biome, and you can always go back to the main page and get back to this one. So how I did that, sixth graders, is after I clicked on the blue part and read about the deciduous forest. Again, making sure you read kind of most of it and realize what kind of plants are in there, what it's like today. Up here in this page menu, you can go right back to the main page and see all four of those areas. Okay, so then we are going to go to our next slide and watch this video. You'll click right here on the link and it will take you to PBS. And watch a quick video of specifically Minnesota biomes. And then finally, slide 5. Sixth graders, notice I'm navigating my slides right here in the bottom left-hand corner. It says, hooray, you made it to the last slide. Great work. Please go to Schoology to download the Minnesota biome sheet. Identify the 4 biomes. You may need to use the Minnesota DNR website again, and then submit this assignment. So we are going to go back to Schoology. Here is that biome sheet. This should look familiar. It was the 3rd page on our slideshow. Notice that those first 2 instructions are crossed off because you've already completed those. And you're just going to identify these 4 biomes of Minnesota, okay? We have this gray one, dark green one, light green one, and tannish yellowish color. Again, you could go back into our presentation, but I've also linked the DNR website right here, okay, to click through and see what those are. And again, you can always go back to that main page, okay? Once you get done with that, you can upload it to the Minnesota biome sheet. Quick instructions today, but like I said, walking through the presentation should take you a chunk of time. The 2 videos are about 3 to 4 minutes long each, and then I would spend at least 5 minutes, if not a little bit more, on each of those Minnesota biome sheets sections from the DNR website. As always, if you have any questions, you can always send me an email. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day and enjoy learning a little bit about different areas of Minnesota. Thanks, 6th graders.